Mihira, choosing the right walking aid depends on several factors, including your specific needs, strength, and balance. A walker provides maximum support but can be less maneuverable indoors. A cane offers less support but is more portable. We can also explore options like crutches or forearm crutches if needed. It's essential to try different aids to determine the best fit.
I'm concerned about using a walking aid. It might make me feel less independent.
That's understandable, Mihira. However, using the right walking aid can actually enhance your independence by preventing falls and improving mobility. We'll work together to find an option that suits your lifestyle and goals. Hello, Mihira. I'm here to talk about your recent surgery. I know it's a big step, and you must have had some worries, but I want to reassure you that everything went very well. The surgical team was very pleased with the outcome, and there were no complications during the procedure. You did wonderfully throughout. Now, it's completely normal to feel a little uncomfortable and tired as you recover, and I want to prepare you for what to expect in the coming days. You will likely feel some pain at the incision sites, but we have medication to manage that effectively. You might also notice a general feeling of fatigue, which is a natural part of your body's healing process, so it's important to rest as much as you can. One thing that can be a bit surprising for patients after this type of surgery is some shoulder discomfort. This is caused by the gas used during the procedure to create space for the surgeon to work. The gas can irritate a nerve that connects to your shoulder area, and this sensation should ease over the next day or two as your body absorbs it. We can help you manage this with pain relief as well. It's all a normal part of the process, and we'll be here with you every step of the way to make sure you're comfortable and healing properly. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions at all.